What's up guys, it's Matt with Speedhaus. Today we have a MK5 Supra. We're going to be installing a high flow catted downpipe from Gsport. Pretty simple install, just a couple of bolts and a clamp and we'll be knocking this thing out. Moving under the car, so far I've loosened the main exhaust clamp, this bracket, both of those are 13s, and then the 13 for the V-band clamp up top. And then we have two 13s right here if you can see them, and that's pretty much all the bolts you got to pull off. Beforehand I automatically dropped the O2 sensor wires from up top, so then everything else can be done from down below.
So by going with catted, he'll be able to...
He'll still get the power gains without having to tune it, and he won't have any check engine light from being catless. So, kind of best of both worlds. A little bit of wrestling. Simple swap of the O2s, put a new gasket in it, and we will throw it back in the car. Hopefully for you left now. One half of the equation is gone, so. Send the thing back in there and call it done. Run the O2 sensors up top, plug them back in, he's done.
Alright guys, we just finished up this 2022 Supra, put a high flow catted downpipe in it, and it's all said and done. Thanks for watching Speedhaus, guys. That's weird.
You want to redo it? Go now.
Couple.
Okay guys, thanks for watching Speedhaus today. We just finished up the high flow catted downpipe with this new Supra. We just got finished and oh, and I had that up too. Oh.
So we just finished the Supra?
Yeah, we just finished the Supra. We just put a high flow catted downpipe in it. It's all said and done and wrapped up. It's off on the road again. Thanks for watching Speedhaus today. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.